Hey, it's Joseph here. Today we are looking at a laptop that I haven't really showcased on my channel before. I have used Lenovo devices before, but I had never really owned one, and today we are looking at Legion laptop from Lenovo. So yeah, it's gonna be an interesting ride. So let's have it unboxed and do the first impression video. Okay, nice looking boxes. Here is a smaller box, usually meant for chargers and such. So here is the power cable, and here is a charging brick. So here it says this power adapter is 230 watts, and it is somewhat thinner, but it is sort of bulkier or wider, if you will. They do slightly different thing to other laptop manufacturer, where I understand that you connect this different, it's not really a barrel plug, it is more in the shape of USB type A. And let's get the laptop out. Really well packaged, I must say. And by the way, this product was sent by B&H, and they have loaned me this device for me to showcase and review so that I can make a video out of it, and I'll share the affiliated link from B&H in the description for you guys to go ahead and purchase if you find this device suitable for your stuff too. But today's video is actually meant for more of a unboxing and first impression video, where I just look at the content inside the box and then show you what sort of physicality of this device is. So here is the laptop box. Obviously this is not a review unit, therefore it is all well sealed in a consumer box. A good representative of what the device would be when you guys purchase and receive. Nice looking box. And the laptop is in the black cloth. Here is the device, and I guess there's some paperwork in here, and there's a bit of a peel, and one here as well. This is weird because the peel is inside of the hinge. Anyways, here is the laptop with the Legion logo on one corner here, and then Lenovo logo. Flip it over. So here on the back, I can see that this is a Kensington lock. Here is that barrel plug or square plug, however you call it, for the power, and then USB type A for 10 gigabit, and then Ethernet cable, another type A 10 gigabit, and then here is the full-size HDMI port. Here's another type A port, at least USB 3.0 with charging capabilities. Here's a reset button, so it seems like. And then going around to the other side, I do not know if USB-C charging is available on this device, but here's a Thunderbolt, and then another type C port. Doesn't have any icon to notate that this one is also Thunderbolt. And then here's a headphone jack. And on the bottom of the laptop, everything is pretty much standard. Here's the Legion logo, and then rubber feet, nice grippy ones. And the whole laptop feels metal, so it's a metal construction. It's not prone to much of a fingerprint, so that's good to see. I can kind of see the two fans on either side, and there are large air vents on the either side of the laptop as well. Okay, in here we got a little cloth along with some paper. Legion Ultimate Support, sure. There's a bit more peel to do because it wasn't available to peel all the way on the outside of the laptop. I wonder if this is something they forgot to do on this unit, because this is not like a normal type of peel that I have to do for devices. It doesn't peel all the way, so you have to peel a little bit and then open the device and peel a bit more. A bit weird, but I guess it's alright. Okay, I think I got all the peel. Anyways, the hinge is actually feeling quite nice. It's solid. It passes the one hand test. definitely solid feeling, and I have no problem opening with one hand. And then it lays pretty much flat, or at least 180 degree. I'll be a bit weary about this as it lifts slightly about 2 centimeters above its back, and then if I were to push further, I don't feel comfortable doing that, going further than this. So there's a bit of a wobble at that angle. On this angle, yeah, there is a bit of wobble, but I don't think that is something significant unless you're willing to always shake the device like this. I think I do need to remove this sticker that is above the camera. So there is a physical cover that you can slide. So there is a sticker over here that says there's a little physical slide that I can cover and uncover the camera. It says please remove. So let's go ahead and remove that, peel that off. Yeah, and basically I can cover the webcam versus not with this little slider. I always like the physical slider that is implemented on the laptop, so good job Lenovo. And I see a little microphone hole, so I understand that it's gonna have a webcam and a microphone. And there's a very subtle Legion logo over here, and then some perforated metal here. I don't know if that's going to be speaker versus just an air vent. And I do see a tiny little hole here. I don't know if that's a microphone versus not. And then the keys are quite nice. I never have tested this specific type of keyboard before. But Lenovo is always known for their good keyboard, so I trust that it will feel good, and based on my short testing, it does feel quite nice. It is in this sort of weird shape, but I think that was quite typical to Lenovo shape. So yeah, and then there's a numpad that are available. I like the fact that it is somewhat squished numpad so that it doesn't shift the entire layout just too much to the left. And I am a numpad user, but I'm not entirely sure if I favor having a numpad on a laptop per se. But yeah, I know there's some people who really likes numpads on their laptop, so it is available. And there's a full-size arrow keys. That's also something nice to see. And then a good size trackpad, and that avoids resting my palm. That's something that is very good to see. There's a power button at the center up there. The trackpad is feeling maybe plastic. I'm not entirely sure. I think this might be plastic, but it does feel quite solid. So I'm gonna have to test it extensively and see how that overall performs and feels like. And again, the chassis is metal build and feeling quite solid, and the Legion is known for their quality too, so I trust that it's gonna be quite good. The power button strangely syncs quite a lot. I don't know if you can see that on the screen. That is very abnormal. Yeah, whilst I'm pressing, I'm not getting any juice, so I understand the battery isn't charged at all. So I'm gonna have to connect this laptop and see how it performs. I'll be open to suggestion of things to look for. Is there anything that you want me to look into this laptop as I do a thorough review and benchmarking of this device? Please leave it down in a comment, any questions or things that you want to know about this. Then I'll be happy to address those comments as well. So if you have enjoyed this content, please like and consider subscribing to my channel to watch the later full review portion of this laptop. And thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you next time. Bye.